class 10. Dear students, in the previous video, we learned how to find out the mean and median of group frequencies by using the formula, right? In this video, we are going to learn how to find out the mode of the group frequencies. Okay, so let's see. So dear students, to find out the mode, here we have the formula. Okay, so here formula is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. Okay, now here what is the L? What is this F1, F0, F2? Okay, so we should know that. Okay, so let's know that by taking the example. The following table shows the information regarding the milk collected from farmers on a milk collection center and the content of fat in the milk measured by a lactometer. Find the mode of fat content. So dear students, in this question we are given with the fat content in the percentage and milk collected in the liter, and we asked to find out the mode of fat content. Okay, so let's find out. So here, as we are knowing in the formula that we are using the letters like L, mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. Okay, so what are these F1, F0, F2? Okay, so let's see that. So here in the given table, first of all, we have to select the model class. Now what is the model class? The class whose frequency is maximum is the model class. Okay. Now in this table, see here whose frequency is more, 30, 70, 80, 60, 20. So here 80 is the maximum or greatest number. Okay. So this one is our model class. Okay, now here frequency of the model class is F1. Okay, so this is our F1. Then frequency of the preceding class of model class. This is our model class. It's the preceding means previous one. That is 70. So this is our F0, value of F0. And the frequency of succeeding class of the model class. Okay, after the model class, which is the just next, that frequency is the F2. Okay, so in this way we got the values of F1, F0 and F2. F1, that is frequency of model class. How will select the model class? Whose frequency is maximum? That is the model class. So here the maximum frequency is 80 in the class 4 to 5. Okay, that's why the model class is 4 to 5. Okay, now here remaining the L. What is the L? So L is the lower frequency of model class. So here what is the lower frequency of the model class? Sorry, what is the lower limit of the model class? So here that is 4. So here the value of L is 4. Okay. Then F1 80, F0 70, F2 60. Now H. H is the height of the class. And how we are finding that? By taking the difference between upper limit and lower limit of any class. So here 4 minus 3 1, 3 minus 2 1. Okay, so here the height of the class is 1. Okay, so in this way, before writing the formula, first write down all the values of these letters which we are using in the formula. Okay, now let's put these values. L4 plus in a bracket, F1 is 80, F0 70 upon 2 F1. F1 is 80 minus F0 70 multiplied by age. The value of age is 1. Okay, so in this way we put all the values. Now let's calculate. 80 minus 70, that is 10. Downside 160, 80 to the 160 minus. Now this 70 is negative, 60 is also negative. Same sign, addition. That is 130, sign of bigger number multiplied by 1. That is same number only. Okay. Now here 4 plus 10 upon 30. Okay. So here this 0 will cancel. So we will get here 4 plus 1 upon 3. Okay. Now here you may take the LCM, or it's better to convert this fraction in the decimal point. Okay. So as we convert this 1 upon 3 in the decimal point, we will get 0.33. Okay. And if the division is non-terminating, then in that case we have to write the value up to the second decimal place. Okay. Then let's add this. That is 4.33. Okay. So as we asked the question that find the mode of fat content, that's why write down the answer. Therefore, mode of fat content is 4.33%. Okay. So here, dear students, we should have the continuous class to find out the mode. Okay. Let's take one more example with the non-continuous class. The following frequency distribution table gives the ages of 200 patients treated in a hospital in a week. Find the mode of ages of the patients. So dear students, in this question, see the classes. Class, that is age in years. So first class is less than 5, then second one is 5 to 9, then 10 to 14, then 15 to 19. So here classes are not continuous. So as we know that to find out the median and mode, we need the continuous class. So here we have to make these classes continuous. Okay. So here, see the first class less than 5. Less than 5 is exactly what? So here less than 5. So this class will be the 0 to 4. Okay. Now here 0 to 4. Then remaining classes we have to write them as it is. Okay. Now as these are not continuous, so let's make them continuous. So how to make them continuous? So here find out the difference between the upper limit of the previous class and lower limit of the next class. That is 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4, that is 1. Okay. 5 minus 4 upon 2. Whatever is the difference, divided by 2. So here 1 upon 2, that is 0.5. Okay. And this value we have to subtract from the each lower limit, and the same value we have to add in the each upper limit of each class. Okay. So let's write down. So here if we subtract this 0.5 from the 0, then our answer will be negative 0.5. Okay. But here this lower limit is the, or these classes are the age in the years, right? So years cannot be the negative, age cannot be the negative, right? That's why even though here we will get negative 0.5, but we will write here 0 only. Okay? As the age is, or age cannot be negative. Okay? Then add 0.5 in the upper limit, that is 4.5. Okay? So 5 minus 0.5, that is 4.5. Add in the upper limit, that is 9.5. Then 9.5 to 14.5, then 14.5 19.5, then 19.5 to 24.5 and 24.5 to 19.5. Okay, so in this way we made these classes continuous. Okay, so here the frequency is already written here. Okay, now let's decide the model class. So model class means whose the frequency is maximum, that is the model class. So here the maximum frequency is 50. Okay, so this is our model class. Okay, so as we know that the frequency of model class is the F1. Okay, and frequency of the previous class or preceding to the model class, that is the F0, and succeeding to the model class is the F2. Okay, so just keep the sequence in the mind, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so in this way these are the values of F0, F1, F2. Okay, now value of L. L is lower limit of the model class. Now here student, here lower limit. Which one you will consider? This 9.5 or this 10? So we have to consider the value of L, which one is continuous. So here we made it continuous, so value of L will be 9.5. Okay, then F1 is 50, F0 32, F2 is 36. Okay, now 8, value of 8, that is height of the class, that is nothing but upper limit minus lower limit, that is 19.5 minus 14.5. Any you can get, value will be same, so that will get 5. Okay, so in this way we got all the values. Now here the model class is this 9.5 to 14.5. Okay, now let's put the values in the formula. So again I am reminding you, before writing the formula you have to write all these values. Okay, now let's put the value. So value of L is 9.5. Mod is equal to L, that is 9.5 plus in a bracket F1, that is 50, F0 32, then 2 multiplied by 50 minus F0 is 32 and F2. What is F2? 36. Okay, multiplied by 8. 8 is 5. Okay, so we put all the values. So 9.5 plus, now let's solve this bracket. So here 50 minus 32, that is 18 upon 52 is 100. Then both are negative, same sign addition. So it will be 68 multiplied by 5. Okay, now let's do this. 9.5 plus 18 upon. So here we will get it as a 32 multiplied by 5. Okay. Now here let's solve this. So here after solving this we will get 2.81. So here we have to write the value up to the 2 decimal place. Second decimal place we have to write the value of this division, whatever will be that calculation. So let's add this. So it will be 12.31. Okay, so in this way we got the mode of the given data. So what was our question? So the mode of the ages of the patient, that we have to write. Therefore mode of ages of patient is 12.13 years. Okay, so dear students, students, in this way we had find out the value of mode. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you how to find out the mode. Okay, thank you.